Is this kitchen tool worth your money? Welcome to Lucky's Kitchen, the place where we test kitchen gadgets so you don't have to. From chopping and slicing to spiralizing and more, we break down every tool clearly, quickly, and honestly. Today, we're looking at the Fullstar Original Pro Chopper, a 4-in-1 kitchen gadget designed to handle vegetables, fruits, and more. It's compact, versatile, and built for anyone who wants to streamline food prep without cluttering the kitchen. What it is and who it's for. The Fullstar Pro Chopper is a 4-in-1 kitchen tool. It combines a vegetable chopper, spiralizer, fruit slicer, and food chopper, all in one container. It's suited for home cooks, meal preppers, or anyone looking to save time on chopping, slicing, and spiralizing. Design and key features. The unit is predominantly white, with a clear container that lets you see the food as it's processed. It includes multiple blades that can be swapped for different tasks. The compact design keeps it stable on counters, while the container collects all chopped food efficiently. The chopper handles vegetables and fruits, from firm carrots to softer tomatoes, and the spiralizer function allows for easy creation of spiral vegetables for salads or garnishes. All parts fit together simply and can be disassembled for cleaning. Performance and usability. Operation is straightforward. Insert the ingredient, choose the blade, and press or twist depending on function. Blades are sharp enough to cut consistently, and the container prevents mess. The multifunctionality means one tool replaces several, reducing countertop clutter. Included accessories / capabilities. Included in the box, the main container, multiple blades for chopping and spiralizing, and a fruit slicer attachment. Each component is designed to add value by giving different preparation options in a single device. Overall, the Pro Chopper simplifies food preparation, keeping tools organized and efficient. The Fullstar Original Pro Chopper stands out for its 4-in-1 versatility, easy operation, and space-saving design. If you're looking for a single tool to handle chopping, slicing, and spiralizing, it delivers consistent results without clutter. That's it for today's kitchen tool review. The Fullstar Original Pro Chopper stands out for its 4-in-1 versatility, easy operation, and space-saving design. If you're looking for a gadget that actually makes cooking easier, this one delivers consistent results. Don't forget to subscribe to Lucky's Kitchen for more honest, hands-on reviews of the best kitchen gadgets. We'll be back soon with another tool you'll want in your kitchen.